So I'm here with a quick update. We made it to Naperville. I don't know why we even stayed here. I was trying to tell my parents we should just stay, like drive all the way to the city and stay in the city so I could start unloading stuff tonight. But they said that it was cheaper to stay here, so we're in Naperville, which is like a suburb outside of Chicago. So we're staying here tonight, and then tomorrow morning we have to drive an hour into the city, and then basically tomorrow's gonna be a crazy day of moving everything. So in the morning we're driving to my apartment, unloading what we have in the car, and then we're gonna go to U-Haul and get the things that I have in the U-Haul, move all of that stuff into my apartment as well. So tomorrow's gonna be a full day, and hopefully I can film almost all of that because I know you guys love the moving vlog and everything. So I'm gonna film all of that tomorrow as much as I can. But for now, I'm gonna shower and get some rest, but I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. We moved everything in. It looks really crazy, but I built a rack over here because all we had was that, and so we went to Home Depot and got that. I didn't film any of the moving in because it was insane, but this is everything we have moved in. And all of this. But basically, I think I'm just gonna organize this for now, and I'll get some B-roll of that. But I might just split this vlog up and do a whole organizing video. So I think I'm gonna do that, but for now I'm gonna start organizing all this, so I'll show you guys that. This is what I have so far. I need to get some more hangers, so this is all I'm gonna hang up for now. But this is what it looks like. It's day 2 of moving, and I have a lot to do today. So I am gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I set up a little bit of my new apartment this morning, and now I'm back at my old apartment, and I'm gonna move out all this stuff. So it might take me a sec to pack all this up, but once I pack all this, me and my boyfriend are going to drive it to my new apartment. And I know I've been horrible at this. I haven't really like filled you guys in at all, but in my new apartment, I've just been setting things up, and yesterday I was with my parents and we moved, my parents and my boyfriend, we moved all my stuff from the U-Haul and the stuff that I brought from home into my new apartment. So that's what I've been setting up the past day. And now I have to move all the stuff here. There's not that much here, it's mostly just clothes, but I have to pack all this up and then we're gonna bring it to the new apartment. So I'll probably just, this is probably gonna take a while, and I just realized I didn't bring any like crates or anything, so I'm gonna need to find some bags to put things in. But yeah, I'm gonna pack all this up and then I will see you guys later at my new apartment when I'm setting everything up again. Plastic bags, and then I'll take my finger and poke a little hole for the hanger, and then instead of taking my stuff off the hangers, I'll just stick the hangers through here. I'll show you. I'll take a good size chunk and then stick the hangers through this hole. Then pull the bag over the rest of the clothes. And then this way they all stay together and they stay protected. And then when I get to my apartment, I don't have to hang anything up. I literally just take the bag off and put it on the rack. And it makes it a lot easier to unpack. Time. I don't know how I did that so fast, but this is everything that I'm bringing. I packed up my room, all my food that was in the kitchen, packed up the bathroom, and this is what we have left. So now my boyfriend and I are just going to take it to the apartment and live it in. Look, city. We packed up the cars, we're on our way to the apartment, and I just got a sandwich from Dunkin' because I was starving, but oh my god, we're on our way, so I'll see you guys when I'm unloading the stuff and organizing my room. Bye. Okay, so we've made a lot of progress. We brought everything in. A lot of it's in the living room, but I did put the clothes and stuff here. John just came in and interrupted, but basically I put all my clothes down on my bed and everything else is in the living room. So I'm gonna start unloading these into my closet, so I'll show you guys that. And I know this has been all over the place, like I literally, it's just real, like it has been all over the place. So I'm not really sure where I'm splitting up this vlog, but like what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna keep filming what I'm doing, unloading and organizing. We'll see where I end up splitting it up, but yeah, for now I'm gonna keep unloading and organizing my closet. I look crazy. Ew, oh my god, when this is over I need a shower.
Check this out. Hold up.
Okay, so I finished unloading all the clothes into the closet. So on the top I have my shirts all color coordinated, and then on the bottom I have all my dresses. I still need to figure out what I'm putting there because I have some extra space, but this is what it looks like so far. I'm very happy with the result. It took a long time, but we made it. Okay, so I've done a lot of work on my room. I just want to take a break from my room and start working on the bathroom, so that's what I'm gonna do. Here's our bathroom, and here's all my stuff. So I'm going to organize this onto here and probably one other tray, and I'm gonna organize some of my roommate's stuff too. Now I think I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'll probably just continue doing this tomorrow because I'm so tired and I need to eat and relax. I've been doing this all day. It's now like 9 and I've been doing this since like noon this morning, so it's been a long day. I am gonna shower and I will see you guys tomorrow.